How to draw a picture like this is very simple. Watch the video till the end. You can also write other letters. Watch this video till the end. You can also do other drawing at a home, at a school, anywhere. It is very simple. Watch this video till the end. Please comment and let me know how you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like it. May God bless you and protect you.